Are Xiaomi and Google Pixel phones really that different? Well, yes and no. Both brands use Android as their operating system, but their approach to hardware and software integration varies. However, an interesting new rumor suggests that the upcoming Pixel 10 series and an unannounced Xiaomi phone might share a key trait when it comes to graphics processing. Google's Pixel 10 lineup will feature the Tensor G5 chipset, marking a significant departure from the company's past strategy. Until now, Google partnered with Samsung for its Tensor processors, but with the Tensor G5, the tech giant is shifting to TSMC for manufacturing. This change could lead to significant improvements in performance, efficiency, and heat management. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Tensor G5 is its rumored graphics processing unit, GPU. Unlike its predecessor, which featured an ARM Mali GPU from Samsung, the Tensor G5 is expected to incorporate the Imagination Technologies DXT GPU. This move suggests Google is aiming for better graphics performance, possibly catering to gamers and power users who demand higher frame rates, smoother animations, and enhanced visual effects. Now here's where things get even more interesting. This same Imagination Technologies DXT GPU might not be exclusive to the Pixel 10 series. Reports suggest that a mysterious Xiaomi phone, believed to be the Xiaomi 15S Pro, could also feature the same GPU. If true, this could indicate a major shift in Xiaomi's approach to graphics processing, moving away from the widely used Mali GPUs. So why does this matter? The rumored Imagination DXT 481536 GPU brings several potential benefits. For starters, it offers improved ray tracing capabilities, which means more realistic lighting, reflections, and shadows in games and graphics-intensive applications. This could make mobile gaming more immersive than ever before. Additionally, the GPU is expected to enhance overall power efficiency, ensuring that high-performance tasks don't drain the battery too quickly. With superior rendering performance, users can also expect smoother animations, better multitasking, and an overall faster experience. For Xiaomi, this rumored shift could be a game changer. The Xiaomi 15S Pro, if real, would likely debut as a high-performance flagship device capable of delivering stunning visuals and superior gaming performance. Multiple reports from China indicate that the device could launch as early as April, possibly in the second week of the month. Another interesting tidbit is that Xiaomi might introduce this phone alongside a high-end tablet, likely the 14-inch Xiaomi Pad 7 Max, adding to the excitement for Xiaomi fans. As for the rest of the Xiaomi 15S Pro specs, details remain scarce. However, it follows the design language of the Xiaomi 15 and 15 Pro level. For now, we'll have to wait for official announcements to see how much of this speculation turns out to be true. But one thing is certain, 2024 is shaping up to be a thrilling year for smartphone innovation. Whether you're a Pixel fan or a Xiaomi enthusiast, these upcoming devices could redefine mobile graphics and deliver an entirely new level of performance. 25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of three exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes: 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you'd never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.